Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix grainy prints. Now this is different to humidity, although they are tied together. As you can see on this sheet, it's a bit hard to tell with this camera currently, but there's a lot of grain, especially on the bottom. This may be due to the fact that your sheets have humidity inside them, but most of the time it's a simple fix. So I'll share with you guys how I fixed it personally. I've went over 30 sheets in test just to bring you guys this video. So an expensive production, I guess I would say, to simply print 9 t-shirts. So yeah, I did want to fix this problem so I could bring you guys a video. As you can see, it's very grainy. When I apply it in the oven, it bakes okay, it feels grainy. On the other side, everything is okay. When you put it in the washer and dryer, it looks good. Unfortunately though, when you do stretch the print, especially where it's grainy, it creates micro tears in the print, which is not acceptable. So I haven't changed anything when it comes to my ink percentage, nor my white plus color dot size. So I'm currently printing on large on both of my printers, and you guys can continue using any dot size or ink percentage that has been working in the past. The main thing in this video is I'll be teaching you guys simple and easy way to make sure that this problem doesn't arise in the future. So basically, to give you the short answer before I show you guys an example, is that in most cases, depending on the humidity levels in your shop, ideally get something like this. Like right now the humidity is a bit low. Ideally would be around 45% to like even 60% in higher cases. Right now it's at 38%. So there might be humidity building up on the sheet. So this is making the ink not dry as quick as it should. So the easy and simple fix is to just let your transfers, cool down once they come out of the printing. So once it's done, leave it be for around 2 minutes and then apply your powder. We'll do one of the sheets that's printing right now with the powder directly off of the printer, and we will see if it creates grainy prints. And on the other printer, we'll leave it set for around 2 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and apply a powder and we'll see if it creates any issues. So this printer's closing up. I'll go ahead, take it directly from the printer, not letting it cool or dry. Insert it right away in the powder. And as I thought, it created some issues. Now the other printer is done. I'll bake this sheet. As I can see, it's hard to tell on the camera, especially since it's not baked, but it has created the same issue we were facing. So I'll put this print directly inside of the oven. I'll let it bake. Once it's done baking, I'll show you guys the sheet, and then we'll take this sheet on the other printer over there that's just finished. We'll let it, cool down, dry, and then we'll do the same steps, and you guys will see it will completely reduce and basically make this problem non-existent. So hopefully this video helps you guys a lot. So the print has been in the oven for around 2 minutes. We would usually go ahead and turn it around and continue with the baking, but since this sheet is basically unusable, I'll go ahead and show you how it looks once it's baked so you can get a better visual. And also, once that's done, we'll insert this print inside of the actual powder and you guys will see the difference. As you can see, very hard to tell on the camera. The quality will be better, guys, but it's exactly the same thing that was happening earlier. We have some grain, especially on the bottom right here. This is all very grainy. So this is unusable. As you can see, it's peeling off when I rub my finger on it. So I'm going to put this to the side. This is exactly what was happening before. Now we're going to take this sheet that's been, taken around 2 minutes, and we'll insert it inside the powder. And once that's done, I'll show you the comparison, and you guys will see that basically everything is okay, and it's a simple fix. So results are incredible, no grain whatsoever. We're gonna go ahead and bake it, and So once this sheet is baked, I'll show you guys the comparison. Basically how to go from this very frustrating problem to a full color print that looks more like this and not like this on the bottom. I'll show you guys that sheet, and that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. Alright guys, so the sheet is finished baking. Consistent, perfect results. The reason I made this video, guys, is because I tried finding on YouTube how to fix grainy prints, and I basically came out with watery prints, blurry prints, but nothing was really answering my question. So that's why I went ahead and made this video today. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Whole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.